Good days to Sir Yahaya. I am Dason Tai and we are from Group 5. Our topic is University Library System. And I'll be presenting for the table for our topic. So our first table is table borrower. Since we are a library, we will have many students come and borrowing our book. So these are the information that we will take down, which is metric number, borrower name, borrower contact code, a contact number, book code, and due return, and staff ID. So the next table is table book. We will record all the important information about a book, which includes book code, book type, book name, the book rack, due return, staff ID, and metric number. So next, these are the table staff. So we will have staff ID, the staff name, staff contact number, the time which staff is in charge in the library, and then the scope in library or their occupation. Lastly, this is the unnormalized form, which we include all the attributes that is mentioned above. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Alia Tika. I will present about the DDL SQL code. Okay, first we need to create the table borrower. So in the DDL code, we insert all the column for the table borrower, and for the primary key, we need to write the code special for the primary key. For example, in the table borrower is metric number wacha2 20 primary key, and the rest is will insert the code not null. Okay, next. For the create table book, we write the code create table book, and we write the each column in the table book, like the book code, book type, book name, book rate, due return date, staff ID, and metric number. And also for the primary key, we need to write the code for primary key. And in this table book, the book code is the primary key in the table book. Okay, next. Okay, lastly, we need to create the table staff, which is the column for table staff, staff ID, staff name, staff contact number, time in charge, and scope in library. And in the table staff, the primary key is staff ID, and the rest is we just write the null code. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, I'm gonna talk about the DML. My name is Muhammad Adizame bin Hairi, and the DML we're gonna insert into the table based on the DDL command. For example, we're gonna insert into the borrower value the IC number, the name of the borrower contact number, book number, due return, and the staff ID. Next is the table book. In the table book, we're gonna insert into the book value, which is the book code, book type, book name, due return date, staff ID, and the numbermetric user of the borrower. Mike Izzah, Mike.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzahayati binti Muhammad Noor. Today I will present about table stuff. For the table stuff, to insert the data into the table stuff, we should use insert to stuff value, which is the general command, then followed by parentheses, which is, and include the staff ID, staff name, staff contact number, time in charge, and scope staff in library. And I want to test the data. So I try to write a command, which is delete from borrower, where use metric number to delete the row. Then as we can see, the next table have no borrower for the metric number B0320100053. And we test again, which is we write the command delete from borrower where metric number B0320100095, and we can see the metric number and the borrower name as table. Yeah. Thank you. That's all for today.